Let's see how to use a GenAI enabled IDE like Claude to generate a full stack social media application. We start by writing a detailed prompt describing all of the necessary features: post, reply, like, search, additional features like generating drafts, tags, and rewriting posts. The app should be mobile responsive. That means it renders well on a mobile as well. To create this prompt well though, a good understanding of web development is critical. You need to know HTML, CSS, React for the front end, REST APIs, and either Node.js or Java Spring Boot for the backend, knowledge of databases like SQL or MongoDB, and you need to be comfortable if you're a full stack developer collaborating with Git and using the command line. You should also be able to integrate OpenAI APIs for any AI driven features. Now, we paste this comprehensive prompt into the interactive Claude and proceed. Claude immediately analyzes the requirements, prompting for any missing details, and begins generating the code base covering the front end, the back end, the complete UI with the UX details, trending tags, automatic tips, and a clean site that renders well both on desktop and mobile screens. It creates the necessary directory structure. It adds comments in your code, deployment instructions, and a README file as well. This entire process saves us several days of manual effort, reducing the build time to just a few minutes. Once the code is generated, Claude offers options for instant deployment so we can see the app running live, showcasing all of the specified features, whether they're working well together, from making posts and creating drafts to using automatic tags and real-time filtering. Everything is functional, demonstrating the productivity boost that GenAI brings to development. If there are any issues, Claude helps identify and fix them by generating updated files or offering troubleshooting tips, which makes it easy for us to iterate and improve the result. With all these capabilities, GenAI allows developers to create sophisticated, fully functional applications by simply providing well-structured prompts, effectively transforming the entire software development process.